Hello student, welcome to Fun Loom Part. Today we will learn action words. Action words. Are you ready? Let's start. Action words are words that show an action. Action means काम. ये बताते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है. What we do. अगर कोई मूवमेंट या काम हो रहा हो. For examples, eating. Eating means खाना. Eating. Jumping. कूदना. Jumping means कूदना. Drinking means पीना. Drinking means पीना. Running means भागना. Laughing means हंसना. Sleeping means सोना. Crying means रोना. Brushing. Dance. Very good, everyone.